Hi everyone, welcome to our little Unity UK video blog, giving you a little update on what's been going on and what's yet to come this summer and early autumn. So we've just had a really successful online workshop. One of the things that this time has enabled us to do is to connect more online using Zoom, something we've been doing for over 3 years and have got well rehearsed in using. And we had a lovely group of people join us for our Saturday workshop last weekend. It went really well, and we enjoy very much sharing these times with you. And there will be more, so keep an eye out on our website for details that are coming up. Yet to be revealed, but they are coming. I also want to let you know that our Unity retreat this year at Ilkley Retreat Centre in Ilkley, Yorkshire, is going ahead. They have been working very hard there to do everything they need to do to stay safe, to enable us to stay safe. All the health and safety precautions are set in place. So the retreat is going ahead, and it is very reasonably priced for 2 nights, full board, and including all that you get from all of our speakers at Unity. It's just £199 per person en suite rooms, full board. It's all being set up, and it is a lovely place, Ilkley, to get back out into nature, the Yorkshire countryside, and to share in a Unity event where we actually get together in person this time. We can't hug, but we can smile and we can connect, and having our energy in the same room is a deep blessing. We have lots of friends that we make in Unity through these retreats, and it's a wonderful way to reconnect. So I will be putting more details out online, and I'll be sending emails to people that I know have expressed an interest in the past, just to see how much interest there is. It looks like it will be Paul and I leading the weekend. Paul is a licensed teacher, my husband, and between us we have a lot of information and exercises and time together, ideas that we want to share and discuss so that we can each learn and connect with the Christ in us. That's the theme of the retreat. Christ in you, your hope of glory, and Christ in us as us is our glory. So we would love to share. It's a Thursday to Saturday weekend with you, and I can talk through with anyone. If you've got any challenges or concerns about it, how it's working, do get in touch. You can call the office or you can email me, which is kimmery.mapletoft@unityuk.org. And the telephone number is 01628 628 915 to call the office, and I can talk through it all with you. But it's very exciting to actually think, with all of COVID this year and how we've been locked down and isolated, and you can't do this and you can't do that, that we can actually offer you a retreat this September. So do get in touch. We would love to share it with you. Yeah. Also in September, of course, we have our annual event, the World Day of Prayer. It's a Unity event that's been going for many years now. It's where we hold an online prayer vigil here in this room at Unity House. We hold it for 12 hours, 9 o'clock till 9 o'clock. We start and end with a meditation, and we have them throughout the day where people can join in and share in those times with us. We also open it on Zoom for the whole day, the whole 12 hours. So at any point, you can come in and out and connect with us through this World Day of Prayer. It truly is the most blessed experience. 12 hours of simply being still and knowing the truth for all of us, and all those names that have been shared with us, is such a privilege and a joy. We always come away feeling so peaceful and yet so blessed and uplifted. So the details are in the Daily Word here. We have them at the back of the July-August Daily Word. If you don't take Daily Word, you can go onto the website. All the details are online. You can send us your name. If you want to connect at a certain time, tell us when that is. You can send us names to hold in prayer with you. Every single name is held in prayer. Each name is called out quietly and reverently with the knowing of the truth for each of them. So this event is Thursday, the 10th of September. And if you want to take part with us, you can go to the website or again, call the office, fill in the form in Daily Word, send it to us. connect with us. It truly is an empowering time. And if you haven't been doing it already and you'd like to, you can join us on Zoom by phone or by the internet, the computer or smartphone or tablet, and connect with us for our 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock prayer services. Details are at the back of our daily word. You will also find a link to the services from our homepage on our website. If you click through online services, it will take you to all that we're doing. We are honored to be with you on your spiritual journey. It serves us to serve you. It's our honor to serve you. So please do work with us, connect with us, play with us, have fun with us. We love to do this with you. Bless you all. Bye-bye.